How to change your TikTok region or location. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you change your region or location of your TikTok account easily. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get started. So the first thing is you need to open up your TikTok application and make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or the home page from where you will be able to explore to various TikTok videos. So that is the first step. You have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner. From over here, simply go for settings and privacy, under which you have to go for account and go for account information. So under account information, you will be able to see your phone number, email and account region. Simply go for account region, and here are the list of the countries or region which you can select. So from over here you can select the region that you want to set. But before that, you need to know one thing. So if you select a Peru for example, then you will be opened up to this interface where it said that in order to change your location you need to be in that place for 90 days. So in order to update your account region, you need to be first in that place for 90 days, then only you will be able to change your location. You need to know this, and after being in that place for 90 days you can change your location by following this similar step. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.